Hi, wow, belting garden. Alright, good morning, or afternoon, or evening, whatever time you're watching this. It's morning for me in Bonnie, Scotland. Right, I've got a job on, it's near our job. I've turned the fucking heating on. Wait, man, it's too hot in the bastard house, so I come outside for a little while. This is the garden. Fucking shite, Scottish accent today, but fuck it. I ain't no sleep for. I've never had no sleep for a couple of days. I'm fucking been in the field, you know what I mean, with a cow and that. I'm in the field with a cow. It's been ace. You get what I'm saying? I've been in the field, fucking cows are fucking ace, man. Right, I mean, this is, that's why we spend so long fucking round in the garden, especially in the summertime, like you have a barbecue, you chuck some fucking Snickers on there and that, and some foil and that, and you've got all gooey and that, it's fucking lovely. You put it on some bread and some barbecue bread, and you put it, it's fucking great. But anyway, that's why it takes so long. I'm rambling, that's what I do. Well, the thing is, there's a change from now on. I have devastating news or good news, depending on your views, like, and how you feel about old poor Clinton McFly and what happened to him. You can? He's a brute son of a, he's in pieces. He's in pieces. He's in fucking pieces, mate. He's in the fucking Thames with concrete overshoes. Whatever, innit? Whatever. He's no longer with us. He's no longer with us, and it's a fucking tragic day. So long, Sonny. We'll build you a fucking shrine, and we got a little frog looking over you again. I'll get you owl because we know we need owls. Why do I keep saying owls? Why do I keep saying owls when it's a fucking retard bastard? Right, the main reason I'm here, right? Because he's dead, so I take it on a Scoty McFly. What can I say? I mean, I like just exactly like him, really. I like brothers. I like to start to kill him. But when there's money involved, I'm fucking evil. You can. Right, so that's that. Now we're taking over from now on. It's right, I got his lighter, so with me, but it's Scoty McFly, fucking Clinton. What the fuck's type of name is that? What shooting with a fucking name like that? Right, I'm rambling. Right, fieldcraft, like I say, I was in the army, but I got chucked out, bastard fucking people, fucking bullets, you know what I mean? It's fucking shite, man. I wish not to go West the States, man. I'm fucking criminal record after the bastard. You can, because at that point, you can just go to your fucking corner shop and get your bullets or your blue or whatever, man. But you fucking fired a few shots in the wrong fucking direction, friendly fire and that. I mean, I was sleep shooting, and didn't kind of had like fucking mental problems, and sleeping, and fucking just started shooting off in my sleep when we're on manoeuvres, like, fucking, well, anyway, long shot, I fucking, I smashed out the glass house, I had a fucking tomato. I mean, look at them, I'm gonna have some of them beauties in them, and I'll fucking, stick them in a fucking deep fryer, a bit of batter, a bit of beer batter, iron brew batter. You ever try iron brew batter? You fucking should do. You fucking ain't lived your, aye, fucking remember, don't lose it, Dr. Jekyll and Mr. fucking McFly, alright? Fucking, take 1,000,000 miles to get to the point. I would walk 500 miles, I would walk 500 miles, right? I'm losing it, right? I'm waiting for a train because the point of the show is fieldcraft, like I said. I'm a mercenary. I'll do whatever you like. I'll do a bit of sweeping. I'll fucking kill someone for you. A bit in between. I'll do both. I'll go and kill someone and do it clean up. Well, obviously, I got to have a little wee clean up. You know what I mean? The fucking DNA's a bastard these days. You know what I mean? But fucking, if you are wank before you fucking do a job, you got less DNA. So I hear, you do your job. fucking smash one out in a corner of that, you know, into the bin. I've done that before. But you know, I spend all day all night sometimes, and it's fucking boring, man. You know, in fields talking to cows at the moment. It's a job, man. It fucking drives you to war, but it's a job. Where the fucking trains at, man? They're fucking never on time. I the bastards. There's fucking 100 of them before. 100 with a couple. Oh, it's a beautiful place, just up where it is now, Morecambe Bay. Which I would, we'll talk in Scottish. I'll try. I mean, travel the world. I'm not fact, but I'm not a fucking gypsy. I'm a gypsy hunter. But yeah, you saw that Morecambe Bay. I see. Oh, it's like the most beautiful view of the world, man. Except for a woman's fucking flange covering treacle, you know. Alright, but I compare it to the Sea of Galilee. I mean, I've been to Israel, you know, to work with well, Shin Bet Mossad, they call that. I think Mossad, I don't know what the fuck it stands for, you know, but you know, as you know, playing like Jewish, like, you know, Dr. Shekel and Mr. Hyde. That time it was Dr. Shekel and Mr. Hyde. Ain't like that one's a fucker. Hanging around fucking Israelis all day. They've got fucking bags of chips on his shoulder, man. Bags of the bastards. Anyway, there ain't no fucking trains, man. I gave up on the bastards. I ain't gonna try and jump on one. I'm not fucking fleet out of here right now. I've got to fucking put that in a fucking eating system, you know, is it, a bastard? Yeah, I mean, this is my fucking job for today. I'm dragging it out. You know, it's a fucking, you know. Alright, right, let's crack it. I'll be running that fucking tape again, you know, that fucking videotape. It's a bastard in these things. I don't understand technology. It's a bastard. I fucking hate it. Unless it's something like that, you can. This little baby here is fucking. It's a foot long. It's a foot of pure pleasure. But you see, I start painting. That was a fucking market job. But, in the military, certain military, I mean, Mossad, Yankees, you know, it's Milwaukee, yeah, you know, it's Milwaukee, it's meant for Milwaukee, Millsy. Yeah, what was I grumbling about? I fucking forget. Ambient noise, you know, it's a handy thing in life. I'm waiting for the train. What these fucking dinner brew or whatever, dinner brew, is that a thing? Dinner brew? So you create your own ambient noise. I mean, I've started painting that, but I can't even fuck finishing it because it's a. I mean, I'll do it later, but you know, what I'm trying to explain is the military, you know, certain military use this kit. I mean, it's blinding. I mean, this is the fucking civilian version, but it's just as good. You know, it's been about in the military for well. I'm a fucking tool nerd, man. I'd be silly to fucking party. I'd only work for Milwaukee. I wish I did. It's fucking Illuminati in them cunts. Yeah, like, it's a red lithium ion, 2.7 H, you know, see, that's, I don't know, I can't explain it really. I mean, yeah, you can, if you can, you can. The military get all the gadgets and all the good boys toys, you know, I don't mean strap-ons and all that sort of shit, you know, that's for the fucking, you can buy that yourself, you can, and you know, you put your flashlight on top of your bayonet and it's like, good fuck. Anyway, I like the bar, I can't see. I didn't work for Milwaukee, but it's got 55 different fucking tools on one battery. You know, I did. Oh, it's a toolkit, and it is a sort of for certain fucking tricks, like, you know, it's daft, man, you know, but I mean, you know, it's a military spec, but they give it to civilians because it's American, you know, it's Yankee shit. I mean, people say the Germans make this, I don't know, there's cars that I fucking can't drive, yeah, I can't crashing my cars and punctures and shit. Hey, that's quite nice. Is that nice, or is that Wickerman sort of thing? I don't know. I mean, Bolton Sands. You know, they've got web feet here and shit, you know what I mean? 6 fingers. They got 6. Oh, fuck. It's a minuscule gene pool. Minuscule gene pool. It's fucking smaller than that. You can. I mean, I'm fucking inbred myself, so I did it can. It doesn't matter. I mean, yeah. Right. Fucking over soon. Right. The point is, it's a fucking ambient noise. Fucking blade up for this bastard. Let me just fucking, yeah, it's hard work. I need a fucking cameraman, man. Battery. is over here. Battery. You've got your battery and your 12-inch Milwaukee hacksaw all blacked out. Blacked. 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 I'm not being racist, but you've got to be blacked. Well, the pin... Fucking pin, I've got a pissing giant. You can, it depends what you're doing. If you're just making a fucking table or fucking about, just keep it whatever fucking colour you like. I'll paint it fucking white or blue and white for Scotland. Bonnie Scotland, you know, I put a fucking thistle on it, you know, I rode around it when I had a fucking thistle actually, but I liked it because it was Scotland, and it was an honour to roll around on that thistle. I couldn't fucking move because I was in a fucking ghillie suit sleeping bag. And you kind of, right, point being, right, let's find a fucking blade. Right, the blade, painted, fucking great. Let me just slip her in. She fits in real nice. She goes both ways, if you know what I mean. She goes both ways. She goes both ways. You won't understand what I mean, unless you know what I mean. She goes both ways, you know, up and down, another way, blah, blah, blah. But ambient noise, like, you know, if it's fucking field, well, fucking, I'm talking field, any field, you know, the field of war, the field, you know, subterfuge, espionage, you know, I've got my glasses up. If there's no train, you fucking create your own ambient noise, don't you? Like, that's as far as it fucking goes. But you know, if you're in Peckham or whatever, or fucking, you know, wherever you are, you play appropriate music. You know, loud. You've got your cohorts, well, your colleagues, you know, they're kicking it gangster. You know, we just out there kicking some rhymes. That's what we do, right on time. It's fucking, you got to do it, haven't you? You know, and then they'll, you know, it's hard. I can't do this without a fucking cameraman. It's impossible. It's a one-handed fucking machine, like. But let's try. It's fucking, you know, this isn't how you do it, you know. But this isn't how you fucking do it. But it's an example. You can, like, the train's coming and you're fucking forcing a lock. You can, you've got your diamond-tipped fucking saw blade and you're fucking there and. You're waiting for the train, right, so you can fucking down, so you can on a damn bit noise, let's go fire. You can. I mean, the military, it's fucking silent, a bit more silent on the muffle. The engine of the muffle is muffled, but right. So, like I basically go fucking put this shite in a fucking tank, man. Need a fucking, you know, the tank, it's like, you know, an F&E system. Near knee, you know, and it's not ecstasy and fucking shite, and I'm fucking doing on them pills of shite, and that's this fucking, that tiny fucking loud, man, and I got lost in the fucking jungle. Oh, yeah. Fucking hell, I've got to go do some work, I suppose. Well, it's not even work, actually, I'm not joking, that's the only thing I'm not joking about. Well, the field craft. And, putting this little cunt, well, this is two of them, that's pain. Me and old Orny, John Orn, back in the day, we just fucking pour one away. What is it, we pour that away and just put fucking nibbit in, but I can't be hard, you know, I do a proper job these days, you know, of anything. Right, you see again, I do a grand job of anything, you plumbing, I'll fucking cut the head off real nice with a fucking hacksaw. I've never had to do it, you know, I leave a wee nick here and there, I've used it as a fucking job. But like I say, man, it's all improvisation, that's not really, that's fucking just a tool, but for example, you know, it's a bit fucking Scoty born or whatever his name, but you can, like, I mean, just a glance around the garden and there's death implements, I mean, fuck, you can head bash. I'm not violent, I didn't hit anyone since I was 15 years old, and I'm 46 now, man, it's like, troll, right, there's a fucking train, you pissing cunts, fucking wankers, he's like, nice, alright, it's got Scotland, I forget that, I'm sorry, it was got a Scotland, bloody Scotland, that's got a fucking big smoke, that fucking landing cunts, I'll fucking bury you all, on a fucking, no, what? Not a fucking room down there, is it? Bury people fucking on top of one another. Filming for, yeah. I'm only joking, fucking Facebook police, by the way. It's all satire. I'm only joking, right? Like say, implements of death in the garden. How many? I don't know, about 46. Plant pots, I mean fucking plant pots. It's fucking simple, isn't it? Plant pots there. Pool. Next, I get fucking frustrated. And you got the ground to bury him in. There's a fucking ditch. There's a ditch there, you know, yes, you can. The fucking the maggots will have him and they'll be fucking gone in. Well, depending on the time of year, 2 to 3 fucking weeks. Well, months. Years, no months, yeah, I'm fucking shouting numbers, I'm good at killing people and fucking making tables, but numbers ain't my fucking thing unless it's musical numbers and I fucking love it. Right, you take care, Scotty McFly demands it.